Welcome to 119 Preston. This executive townhome is stunning inside. Some of my favorite features are the double backyard with its own man cave, the open concept living space, and the brand new finished basement just for you to enjoy. Come take a look. This gorgeous executive townhome features 3 large bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an open concept living space, and a stunning backyard with an extraordinary custom-made shed that has a separate entrance for storage and a man cave. As you walk through this home, you will recognize the pride of ownership and investment that it took to turn this house into the home you see today. The open concept kitchen features upgrades like new stainless steel appliances, backsplash, dark cabinets, and a perfect location for a central block island for family gatherings. Beside the kitchen is the dining room and family room. The family room features a nice dark wood, great natural lighting, a newer electric fireplace insert, and a great view to the walkout backyard. As we go upstairs, the first thing you notice is the gorgeous master bedroom with large French doors to complete the look. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a 3-piece ensuite bathroom as well. The upstairs is accompanied by a large 4-piece bathroom and 2 good-sized bedrooms, perfect for a growing family. As we head downstairs to the finished basement, notice the new oak staircase, high-end LED pot lighting, separate laundry room, and brand new modern laminate flooring. It is easy to see that this basement has plenty of room for an office space and a recreation space for fun times after work. The basement also has a separate door access to your future luxury basement bathroom, reliably roughed in by the builder to make your life easier. I've been biting my tongue in excitement as we walk through this gorgeous home because we saved the best for last, the backyard. Right out of the backyard door also lies a cozy backyard oasis with newer interlock patio stones, natural stone steps, and a gas barbecue hookup. Having no house backing onto your backyard, a separate access point through the fence off Wardlaw Avenue behind the home, and a whole 138 feet long off of Preston for your lot. It's clear that there are only a couple townhomes in this area with this premium style lot, and that will be something no renovations can change. The cherry on the top is the custom 12x8 garden sheds back to back. Reflected on the land registry, these sheds have electrical outlets and lighting and are built back to back for 2 separate uses. One is used exclusively for storage and lawn care equipment, while the other is strictly for a man or woman cave, complete with a spot for a TV, games, and a bar for, well, you know. Sometimes searching for real estate can be a real gamble. Other times, like here at 119 Preston, you'll find you've got the royal flush.